Welcome back. IDEX Coin, one of the most underrated names in decentralized finance, is showing signs of life again. If you haven't been watching IDEX lately, it might be time to take a closer look. There's been an interesting shift in momentum, and today we're breaking down what's happening with IDEX, why the price is reacting, what the news says, and what the future could look like for this hybrid DEX token. Now, for those of you new to IDEX, this isn't your typical meme coin or hype-driven token. IDEX is the native token of one of the earliest decentralized exchanges that actually offers a hybrid model, combining the security of DEXs with the speed and usability of centralized platforms. In a world full of rug pulls and clunky interfaces, IDEX was designed to solve the limitations of both CEXs and DEXs by offering a middle path. Let's talk about what's happening right now. The IDEX token recently experienced a sharp move that has traders and investors paying attention. Over the last few weeks, we've seen renewed activity in the altcoin space, and IDEX has followed the trend. After a long period of sideways consolidation, it pumped over 60% from local lows before giving up some gains today. First, it's important to understand that the DeFi narrative is slowly building up again. With Ethereum scaling solutions like Base, ZK Sync, and other Layer 2s gaining traction, platforms like IDEX, those that focus on speed, security, and trading infrastructure, are starting to look attractive. The recent news that IDEX is exploring further integrations with Layer 2 ecosystems has given a boost to the project's visibility. Let's talk targets. Technically speaking, the next key levels for IDEX are $0.072, $0.078, and then the big resistance at $0.089. If it manages to break and close above 9 cents with volume, the door opens for a move toward 11 cents and eventually 14 cents, levels we saw during the 2021 bull cycle. On the flip side, if it loses support at $0.062, we could see a retest of $0.054 or even $0.050 before bouncing again. That's the nature of accumulation zones. Fakeouts are common. So what about the bigger picture? Long term, IDEX has real fundamentals. Unlike the average DeFi token that fades after launch, IDEX continues to innovate. They were one of the first to implement a high-throughput order book model, and their Layer 2 rollups are already reducing gas fees. That makes it attractive not just to traders but also to builders in the Web3 space. Analysts from platforms like Digital Coin Price and Coin Codex are projecting a gradual rise in IDEX's price, with most forecasts targeting 15 cents to 25 cents by 2026. In extreme bullish scenarios, especially if DEX volume across the market skyrockets, some analysts predict $0.50 plus could be possible in the next 3 years. But again, that depends on broader market trends and continued adoption. IDEX isn't a hype train, it's more like a steady ship navigating rough DeFi waters. It has a use case, it has a working product, and it has a plan. The recent price action is a reminder that this project isn't dead, it's just waiting for the right moment to shine again. Whether you're a trader looking for swing setups or an investor hunting for hidden gems before the next bull market, IDEX is one to watch. It may not have the spotlight of a Shiba or Doge, but it has something arguably more valuable, a real working product in a space that needs better infrastructure. And that's the latest on IDEX Coin. If you enjoyed the breakdown, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more crypto